Introducing the Blink Video Doorbell, your key to peace of mind and home security. With its cutting-edge features, it's more than just a doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell offers two-way audio, crisp HD video, and instant app notifications for both ring and motion detection. Stay connected, stay secure. Go to the door from anywhere, easily via your smartphone. With 1080p HD video during the day and infrared video at night, as well as two-way audio, you're always in control. Installation is a breeze, whether you prefer wireless or wired. It's Alexa-enabled, so you can effortlessly connect it to your existing smart home ecosystem. Benefit from a long-lasting battery, customize your notifications, and control your privacy settings. Your security, your way. Receive instant notifications when motion is detected or someone activates your Blink Video Doorbell. And for even more control, pair it with a sync module, sold separately, or connect it to your doorbell wiring for on-demand live video and two-way audio. Choose a free trial period for the Blink subscription to store and share video clips in the cloud, or keep them locally using the Sync Module 2 with a USB flash drive, sold separately. Ideal for any home. Use it wirelessly or connect it to an existing doorbell wiring. When used without wiring, you can even use your Blink mini camera, sold separately, as a plug-in doorbell for indoor use. Its new internal seal provides weather resistance of protection class IP54. Receive notifications and answer the door with certain Alexa devices thanks to the two-way audio feature. If connected to your existing doorbell wiring or a sync module, you can simply ask Alexa to respond to visitors at your doorstep. In the package, you'll find the Blink Video Doorbell and a mounting kit, including screws and dowels. Visit our website to learn more and order your Blink Video Doorbell today.